In a significant judgment, the Supreme Court today set time limits for the decisions by governors under Article 200 of the Constitution on the bills sent to them by state legislative assemblies. In a massive win for M.K. Stalin-led Tamil Nadu government, Supreme Court ruled that Governor R.N. Ravi's decision to withhold assent to 10 key bills was illegal and arbitrary. The Supreme Court bench, consisting of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan, said Governor did not act in good faith and maintained that the 10 bills shall be deemed to be cleared from the date it was represented to the Governor. Supreme Court held that Article 200 cannot be read in a manner which allows the Governor to indefinitely sit over bills. The Supreme Court bench, which pronounced the judgment, held that although there is no explicit time limit prescribed for the Governor to either give assent, withhold assent, or reserve it for the President, the use of the expression, as I quote, "as soon as possible," quote unquote, in the first provision to Article 200 makes it clear that a decision must be taken expeditiously. Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and DMK Chief M.K. Stalin described the verdict as historic. He added that the verdict is a big victory not only for Tamil Nadu but for all Indian states. It may be mentioned that the DMK government has accused Governor R.N. Ravi of acting like a BJP spokesperson and blocking bills and appointments. The governor had said the constitution empowers him to withhold his assent to legislation.